Okay, so let's go ahead and create a drop-down list. Now, drop-down lists are effective and useful, and among other things, they help keep spreadsheets clean, accurate, so it's a good tool to know how to use. To build one, we're going to go ahead and let me see, colors. Okay, so we'll make a drop-down list of different colors. Typically, when I create a drop-down list or various drop-down lists in a spreadsheet I'm working on, I create a separate tab called Lists. And all the lists that I use end up here on this tab. And I end up hiding this tab, which I'll show you how to do at the end here. So I'm going to put my data for my list here. So let's say pink, orange, purple, let's see, yellow, red, blue, black, white. All right, there's my list. So this is the data that I want in my drop-down list. It could be names, it could be anything that you need for your list. So I'm going to go back over to my sheet here where I'll be building that list. So a drop-down list is a data validation tool. So to find it, you find the Data tab, and you go here into Data Tools and click on Data Validation, which is this one here. Now it's going to ask me for two pieces of information. The first one is asking, what do you want to do? Well, I want to make a list, so we're going to choose List here. The second piece of information is, okay, well, if you want a list, where am I getting this data from? Where is this list information? So when you click in the box and your cursor blinks, find your list, which is here in this tab, and highlight the data that you wrote out. When you do that, it's gonna put the list information here, and you just hit OK, and that's it. Your list is here. Now, if you want to extend this all the way down, you can click here and just drag it as far down as you need, and you'll see that you'll be able to have your list in that range. Now, I mentioned hiding this list tab here. So when you build these and you want to hide this list, you simply right-click on the tab that you want to hide. So I'm going to right-click here and hit hide. And there it goes. It's gone. If you want it to come back, if you need your list tab to come back to maybe add a new list or you want to make a change, simply find a tab here, right-click on any tab at the bottom, and you just unhide. When you do that, it's going to bring up an option for you to choose which sheets you want to unhide. So we'll click on lists. If you have others here, they'll show. You hit OK and it comes right back. And that is how you make a drop-down list.